Hello there guys, welcome to Nathan Fortune 2018's tutorials on how to make some cool movie props and TV props from movies and television like we see on TV. So tonight, which is today, I'm going to make a deal or no deal case. So if you're watching this, let's begin. So first what you're going to need is a Crayola case. You have to find this at the store, or if you already have one that's been used and it's like very old and it has nothing in it, then you can start making it. You're going to need some tin foil. And so, there you go. There you have it. Here's the deal or no deal case. Now, if the tinfoil doesn't work, if you can't tape it, I think my advice is that you should use some spray paint if it's gray. For me, I wanted to use tinfoil because I didn't want to be hurtful to this this Crayola kit, which is meant for kids. I'm sorry, I didn't want to paint it. Don't forget to rate and subscribe for more tutorials. Great day and God bless.